Section 3C.1.4 Gene-Environment Interaction. Heredity deals the cards, environment plays the hand. Psychologist Charles L. Brewer, 1990. To say that genes and experience are both important is true, but more precisely, they interact. Imagine two babies, one genetically predisposed to be attractive, sociable, and easygoing, the other less so. Assume further that the first baby attracts more affectionate and stimulating care than the second, and so develops into a warmer and more outgoing person. As the two children grow older, the more naturally outgoing child more often seeks activities and friends that encourage further social confidence. What has caused their resulting personality differences? Neither heredity nor experience dances alone. Environments trigger gene activity. Scientists are now exploring environmental influences on when particular genes generate proteins. The other partner in the dance, our genetically influenced traits, also evoke significant responses in others. Thus, a student's impulsivity and aggression may evoke an angry response from a teacher who otherwise reacts warmly to the student's model classmates. Parents, too, may treat their own children differently. One child elicits punishment, another does not. In such cases, the child's nature and the parent's nurture interact. Neither operates apart from the other. Gene and scene dance together. Evocative interactions may help explain why identical twins reared in different families recall their parents' warmth as remarkably similar, almost as similar as if they had had the same parents. Plomin et al., 1988, 1991, 1994. Fraternal twins have more differing recollections of their early family life, even if reared in the same family. Children experience us as different parents depending on their own qualities, noted Sandra Scar, 1990. Moreover, as we grow older, we also select environments well suited to our natures. So, from conception onward, we are the product of a cascade of interactions between our genetic predispositions and our surrounding environments. Our genes affect how people react to and influence us. Biological appearances have social consequences. So, forget nature versus nurture. Think nature via nurture. Section 3C.1.5 The New Frontier, Molecular Genetics. What is the promise of molecular genetics research? Behavior geneticists have progressed beyond asking, do genes influence behavior? The new frontier of behavior genetics research draws on bottom-up molecular genetics as it seeks to identify specific genes influencing behavior. As we have already seen, most human traits are influenced by teams of genes. For example, twin and adoption studies tell us that heredity influences body weight, but there is no single obesity gene. More likely, some genes influence how quickly the stomach tells the brain, I'm full. Others might dictate how much fuel the muscles need, how many calories are burned off by fidgeting, and how efficiently the body converts extra calories into fat. Vogel, 1999. The goal of molecular behavior genetics is to find some of the many genes that influence normal human traits, such as body weight, sexual orientation, and extroversion, and also to explore the mechanisms that control gene expression. Sankova et al., 2007. Genetic tests can now reveal at-risk populations for many diseases. The search continues in labs worldwide, where molecular geneticists are teaming with psychologists to pinpoint genes that put people at risk for such genetically influenced disorders as learning disabilities, depression, schizophrenia, and alcohol dependence. In Unit 12, for example, we will take note